world, and welcome back to my channel. It's Las Vegas Motor Speed. Today it's November 7th, 2024, day of Thursday. Today we're going to install my radiator grill guard for my C8 Corvette 2025 model Stingray 1 LT and my carbon fiber front splitter. But before I start this video, I would like to shout out all my subscribers and viewers out there. Thank you for trusting and supporting this channel, and I would like to shout out also my new subscribers. And for those who haven't been subscribed yet, you can click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you will be notified in my latest vlog. Stay tuned. Hello folks, so this is the radiator grill guard for my C8 Corvette. So we're gonna do we're gonna pre-assemble it. There is some brackets and screws and nuts. I'll show you how to assemble it. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we're gonna put this C bracket here. And this nut. So we're just gonna put it in there. We're not gonna tie it yet. Hello everyone, so I just finished pre-assembling this radiator grill guard for my C8 Corvette. So this is how exactly look like. There's two adhesive at the bottom. These are the brackets, C brackets, and some fastener right there. So just do the same thing on the other grill. Yeah, it's pretty easy. And I have this T15 and wrench, small wrench, and 7M to remove the cover underneath, or the fender cover. So as you can see, the bolts right here, we're going to remove that, all of this. So it's kind of pretty tight because I don't have how you call this, a ramp, so we're trying our best to remove all that bolt. Okay everyone, so we're back. So we just remove the driver's side fender on the radiator underneath. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to take this off, and there is 7 millimeter that you need to use to remove the bolt here. There's two of them, and look at that. My Corvette is just a month old, and I see those a little damage on my radiator, which is not good. That's why I'm trying to prevent it by installing that radiator grill. At least, you know, we need to prevent all that. So I'll show you the bottom part. So that's how it looks like, and we'll do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so I just removed this. So make sure you remove that panel. You need to play around or wiggle it. Don't force it because they're fragile. You might scratch your bumper or break those fragile clips. So we're gonna install the radiator grill right now, and yep, we'll see how it looks like. We're gonna do this first. So when we insert the grill, we need to put it this way. So you'll see the adhesive tape and the C braces. It's exactly facing this way. But if you insert it, you have to do it first. This first. You have to do this first and then rotate it. So you're gonna move around. And there's included Allen bolts with this radiator grill. Hello everyone, and I'm back. Las Vegas Motor Speed. This is Gerald. After 10 years of installation, finally I did install my radiator guard or grill guard for this beautiful C8 Corvette. Did some modification for the adhesive because it's not sticking strong, so I did put a zip tie underneath. Yeah, it's beautiful. I feel more secure now for this radiator, or safer to drive. So only have this for a month, and then I see a little bit damage on my radiator for from the rocks, bugs, or etc. All right. And here's my carbon fiber front splitter for my C8 Corvette. So I didn't put all the bolts yet, so I'm just I just lay it out so it looks sick and amazing. It's beautiful. Look at that. Whew. Looks more aggressive looking. Oh my god, I'm in love with this splitter. Oof. I wish it comes with it. And as you can see, I recently installed this radiator grill right there. All right.
It's caught in the crossfire.